Okay, so I've had two people send me messages this week about this, so we're going to do a really quick video of it. Essential oils in your eyes. If you accidentally get them in your eye from whether just getting it too close to your eye or using an oil and then not getting the oil off your hands well enough and then touching your eyes, please do not use water to try to get it out of your eyes. It will just make it worse and burn. What you need to do is grab your carrier oil, and I leave mine in these little jars, and just pump one little squirt in it, rub it into your hands, and then rub it over your eyes just like that, and it will help pull out that essential oil that is in your eyes. Hi, Darcy. So that it will quit burning. If you are the one who has happened to have gotten the oil in your eye, you'll probably need to get somebody else. I've actually had both of my kids probably at one time or another have to do that and rub it over my eyes in order to get it out. So there's your tip for the day. Have a great day.